sampai lali ya. Subscribe.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share to you my experience about the problem of my friend who can't run the PES 2021 on his PC. Have you ever seen this message when running the PES 2021 game? If true, then please follow the steps I will explain in this video. The first step, please click on the download website that I included in the description below. After you download, please extract the downloaded file. Please open the extracted file and then please copy it into the installation folder of the PES 2021 game. After that you can try to run the PES 2021 game again. That's the experience I got when I got my friend when I was going to run the PES 2021 game, so it didn't work well. Until here first our tutorial video this time. See you in our next tutorial video. Don't forget to always support this channel by clicking like, comment, subscribe and turn on the bell button so you get the latest updates from this channel. See you next time.
Sampai lali ya. Subscribe.